Presentation Autumn Level 3 Foundation Computing presented by Tania Shuva. Registration ID 2202-15003. This is my contents. Identify internal components of a central processing unit. Explain two functions of a CPU. Explain how computer hardware components work together. Identify different types of storage media and explain the use of each with reference to the purpose. 2.1 Internal components of a central processing unit. CPU itself has following three components: control unit, arithmetic logic unit, registers, cache, internal buses. Components of a central processing unit. 2.2 Functions of a CPU. Fetch. The computer's instructions are eventually stored in memory, each with its own address. Store. After an instruction has been executed, store stores the output data in memory. 2.3 How computer hardware components work together. 2.4 Different types of storage media. It comes in different shapes and sizes depending on the needs and functionalities. Hard disk drive, solid state drive, USB flash drive, SD card. 3.1 How data is represented in computer systems. Unicode is a standard manner of describing and encoding digital data in which a code is assigned to each character, such as A, B, and C, so that the computer can understand what the end users are trying to say. 3.2 How encryption can be used to represent data. Encryption is a technique for concealing the true meaning of any text, email, or highly confidential data. 3.3 How images and sounds are represented in computer systems. Images. We all know that computer systems only interpret binary code, which is made up of OS and 1S. Sound. The representation of sound in computer systems is similar to that of other media, although the premise is similar. 3.4 How compression can aid the storage of data, images, or sounds. Storage space is limited and precious. 3.5 Purpose of logic gates. When a user instructs the computer to add, subtract, or perform any sophisticated action that requires math or logic. 3.5 Purpose of logic gates. 4.1 Different types of computer network. Peer-to-peer network. A peer-to-peer network is one in which two or more computers are connected through a hub without the use of a separate server to form a network.